Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell. The bell, it's important so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today we're gonna give some trouble as usual. I know somebody just whisper to themselves as usual, Andra, but we're gonna give some trouble. I'm gonna call my friend and family them and see how much I can depend on them for tell life for me. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, you know, because why? Let us get right into the video. We're gonna start off with Lucy. Oh, and Jason are there right now, but me gonna do it to make it look like Jason there and me and him argue. Jason, just allow me to ask Lucy, please. Babe, just allow me to ask Lucy. Lucy.
Oi.
Bro, now you give me white goat. Tell me say you give me as one gift.
White goat?
Yeah, a white goat what you give me.
What you have him?
A goat when me have man, when me carry home. Like now you give me him. Jason I think a man give me goat. Bro, tell Jason say you give me goat.
Where Jason there? Eh?
In my area, him no want to talk because him no feelings. Like Jason, why you have to think say a man give me a goat? Lucy can't give me one goat. Me should even have to prove this to you. Bro, tell him, tell him, so me can't just go about me day, yeah, man.
Yeah, Jack. Hold on there. Take your phone off and speak on the talk to you.
Hold on. Yeah?
You man, you cannot tell about me gear goat. You should go me about the gear.
I tell him say you give me it exactly.
But you know, you don't post no goat, so Jason must know what color goat me have. Man, I know say I know me.
Exactly, Lucia. I tell him say exact. Let me put your back on speaker. See him just say him. It's alright, Lucia.
You can't tell him man like that. And then I go see me at the church. Because if he find out they're true, how much of me just a friendship to say, how much?
Lucia, a prank you. So you make just up here. I think some man give me goat.
But me can't tell you like.
I true you have to ask still.
Because you are going remember say if me tell him like he find out the truth now, I mean you're going to have to now, you know.
I true that still.
So that's why we have to be truthful.
I true. But they expect that though. The next person, I go call one of my next male friend. Nervous. Now get him. Once the ring out so long. Make a test my auntie. My auntie must out my back. Jason, stop. Give me a chance. Let me ask Auntie Keddy. Just give me a chance. Auntie Keddy, the $30,000 when me get in my bank account. Now you send the money, come give me.
Yeah, I
Me tell you?
want.
Okay, Jason. Learn to listen to me and believe me. Jason think a man send the $30,000 come give me.
Yeah?
Really?
I think about the telling me that I come here.
Auntie Keddy, me not even didn't know so me have to tell Jason that.
Oh.
Alright then, thanks Auntie Keddy.
Alright, later.
Yeah. I'm afraid to call her back and tell her say a prank. Call her and tell her? Me tell her. Wait, or don't tell her. Or don't tell her. Me tell her. Me tell her. She not answer. She can't tell mommy. Can't tell mommy. I'm not gonna call Lovell because no Lovell would have probably know say a prank. Come call Lucy. Me gonna call Blue. Me I gonna call Blue.
Hello.
Jason, give me Jason, stop me ask Blue. Listen, Blue. Tell Jason say you send the money in my account. Come in and know what is wrong with him. Eh? You hear me?
Yeah, I mean, send it.
Yeah, break up. Me not hear properly.
If it's true, I mean, send it.
Cause me don't know why I feel like a man send money in my account.
No, I don't know why would I think that at me.
You hear for yourself? You hear for yourself. So you can.
Send it for true, Jason, not me.
Okay. So now you can't stop accusing me. Alright then, Blue.
Alright, sweetie.
A prank here.
It's okay.
You're a keeper. That's why I love you, you know. That is so sweet. Blue, big up yourself. Guys, run over to Blue and Nitro and subscribe to them YouTube channel. But no one will never see that 1 year coming. But our next person is Draydan. You don't know Draydan? From the comment section. Big up yourself, Draydan. Thanks for always support me. Really appreciate it. Jason, give me a chance to talk, please. Draydan.
Hello.
Please for tell Jason say you send the money in my account for do one promotion for you.
Yeah.
Cause me don't know why Jason there accuse me.
I mean, send it, man.
Thank you. You here for yourself now? Yes, feel shame, not talk. Thanks, Draydan.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
Alright.
Alright.
Wait there. Why you ask him that? He might ask so much money, I say, no?
Oh, God. That's not important.
Exactly. And Jason, it's 15,000. I may tell you that already. Exactly, Jordan. That is not important. It's a prank. Yo, Jordan must tired of me. Guys, me do Jordan a piece of thing last night. Nah, I'm gonna tell you no though. Not telling no Jordan secret. So guys, that's a Draydan from the comment section. Draydan always a comment. Draydan there a long time. I gonna call my cousin. I call Chrissy. I wonder if Chrissy feel well. Because if we get to Chrissy, it has a calling. Ringing me. My cousin gonna have my back, me sure. Me know this. This is gonna work. You just send me money in my account?
Yeah.
Exactly. Stop accusing me. Why you have to feel like a man send me money?
No, I mean, send it.
You here for yourself now? You don't need to ask her that. Why you ask her how much for? Chrissy, tell him how much. Come in and know what deal.
So we want to know how much money we send Kongi woman for?
Him feel like a man send me money.
You should have known better than that. Google have man. How this man? No, you don't know about that.
The girl sent $15,000. Stop antagonize me. 15,000. You might hear him now want to talk cause him shame.
No, Jason. I mean, send her the money.
Alright. Alright then,
You
Christy.
don't have nothing to worry about. We are worried about.
Him not talking shame. You fi shame. You fi shame. We are walk out the room if you want. Walk out. Alright, Chrissy.
No. No, Jason. Mm-mm.
A prank. Because I love you again. Of course. Before me even call him, me tell him, say, me know so you're going to have me back. Of course. Of course. Guys, this is my cousin. Her name is Chrissy. Wanna see her in a vlog already, you know? But I want a long time. I want a long time vlog. I'll call Joel. You remember Joel? I hope him answer and him not busy. Look like him busy.
You have
I'm busy.
reached the
Me not even have to call back one second time. I'm busy. Me go call Jamilio. Although Jamila, we act like he not hear me and hang up, you know, when him hear the story. Yeah, get him.
I'm sorry, but the
Alright.
person you
Me go call my sister. Not Serena, Tika. Alright, me not get her, but me not go call back. You have some people when you call them one time and you not get them, just wait for them to call you back. She call me back. Jesse, just give me a chance. Tika here. Are you sent me money a while ago?
Yeah.
Exactly. Why you have to think a man send me? Why you...
Things?
Me get money a while ago. Him a feel like a man send me.
Okay. No, I'm send you.
Exactly. Yeah, walk out, cause you shame. Alright then, thanks. Come in and know why I feel like a man send me money. Thanks.
Alright, later.
Yeah. I just love you now. Wanna have my back. Me never yet done a video and call the press here. So this is my friend and Jason's friend. So Ibi. Soy vlogs, make we hear we must know. Jason, just allow me for that. Ibi,
Yo.
are you send me $30,000 a while ago?
No.
It's alright, it's okay. It's okay. Just a think about something.
you have reached
Alright, I'm negative person, so I'm not call back. But just a think about something. Mega stop say. Please we tell Jason say, are you send me money? No. I'm not gonna say that cause there and then them are gonna know say me I beg them for say that. How am I gonna say it? Probably just have to ask them like what I do a while ago. Are you send the money? I'm gonna call one of my next male friend. Hopefully me get him cause me not get nobody. Just give me a chance to talk, please. Give me a chance to talk. Hello?
Hello?
You just sent me money a while ago, right?
No.
You not just send me $30,000 in my account?
Yeah, talk about.
Jason, just give me a chance to talk now. You know, hear me talk to you person? Give me a second. And then you know, just sending money in my account to sort out or something?
Is sure I number you call?
Me no must know your number and know who to call. You know send me money for sort out or something for you. Why you do that and make him feel like it's not no man send me no money.
Hear you.
And my friend send me money.
Hear you. You're pranking video, you want to get young lady.
I am not pranking you.
I'm a bank account, send it a Twitch, and what do you realize?
Whoa! You're not even a good friend.
What you mean?
Wait, Joel, call me back. Joel,
Yeah?
you just send me you send me money in my account.
Eh?
You send me money in my account, me see it. We sort out is something.
What up?
You not just send me money in my account, cause me I tell Jason say you send me money in there, you disbelieve me like a man send me money. Tell him, listen to Joel, hear what Joel say. You send me money, right?
Yes.
Jason, why you ask him how much money for? Joel, tell him, come in and know where you this. Tell him how much money. Tell him how much money, cause him there accuse me. Tell him how much money. Tell him how much money because him there accuse me say a man send me money. I tell him say you send me for sort out something for you. Tell Jason how much money you put in my account cause him there. Tell Jason how much money you put in my account because him there accuse me say a man send me money.
10.
Me say Joel hear every single word that me say, you know. Joel hear me, you know, but Joel just don't know what to do.
Yeah.
Just give me a chance now, Jamila.
Yeah.
I said the money you send in my account a while ago.
For money?
Yeah, money where you send me for sort out is something for you.
Not when I that one.
You know send me money for sort out is something for you. Jason, Jamila send me money. Just stop accuse me now. Why you have to think a man send me no money? Jamila, me I tell you something where you beg me do for your friend one day, you know, it just send me money for sort out.
Oh yeah, the prank card.
Me not pranking you. See your friend them, I listen to you. You never send me money for sort out is something, Jamila? Hello? Jamila, I'm not doing anything. May I try for Jason think a man a send me money.
Which money that?
The $30,000 where you send me for sort out is something for you, Jamila. When you make Jason feel like say lie me a tell her. What you say?
I'm looking at somebody else here.
Jamila.
Money dog.
Me didn't know what me telling you guys. Me telling you say not gonna lie for me. Jason are there. You see how you stay though? You can't depend on me, you know. You can't depend on me again, you know. Me say if you, listen to me. Me say if you call me for me help you out with no me not answer you. You don't have me back. You hear him? Jason back him have. Jason back. Alright, so me go call Odin. We'll see how this go. Jason, just give me a chance now. Give me. Oh, are you sending money in my account a while ago? You see? So you know you can't stop accuse me. I gotta call Peter Gay. Wanna know it's Peter Gay? Cleo. Jason, just give me a Peter Gay.
Yeah?
Cleo, you send me money in my account a while ago?
Send your money in your account?
Yeah, the money for sort out is something. The money where you send me for sort out is something.
Yeah?
Jason, she not even answer yet. Stop accuse. Why you have to feel like a man send me money? Come on. Peter game.
I want to raise that him. I mean, send the girl money easy enough.
Exactly. No, you can't stop accuse me. Remember, I did a video here one long time, but I did me and Jason together. But me don't know. I guess this would have been the part 2, but me love the part here. Like, me I enjoy doing it because me don't know what to expect. Comment and let me know. Auntie Kadeen. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, comment and let me know. Tell me if you don't want part 2. But would that be part 3? Come do that video here long time ago. But comment and let me know if you want another part. I had so much fun doing this video. As me say, I never know what to expect. Me just make the call and go with the flow. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Love, you know. Big up on yourself. Bye guys.